morning, dear students of SIIT EH department. I am Devin Devani, assistant professor in EH department. Today I am going to present you my YouTube video lecture explanation on numerical example on single phase AC circuit. So I have taken one example here. This is the circuit diagram. You can see that resistance and capacitance are in series with a single phase AC source. Resistance of 15 ohm and we have taken capacitor of 150 microfarad. So we have to find out some quantities from this circuit which are as follows. We have to calculate first Z impedance, then current, then power factor cos phi, and after that power consumed in this circuit. So we will start this solution of this numerical problem here. First of all, we have to find out impedance. You know the formula for impedance is Z equals to under root of R square plus XC square. So we require here, we have R here, we require XC. So we can find out XC with this formula. We very well know that XC equals to 1 over omega C. So 1 over omega C means 1 over 2 pi of C. By putting all the values to pi is 3.14, F is frequency 50 Hz, and this value of C 150 microfarad, 150 into 10 to the power minus 6. We got 21.22 M. This Z. So now the second quantity current I, we know very well that V equals to Iz. So from this formula we can find out I equals to V upon Z. By putting the value of V and Z in this formula, we got the value of this current I as 8.85. Now the third quantity is power factor. Power factor is cos phi, which is the cosine angle between voltage and current. So formula for cos phi is resistance divided by impedance, R by Z. We have just putting the value of R and Z from our calculation. R is 15, Z is 25.98. So we got the value of cos phi as 0.577. Now last thing is power consumed. Power consumed is active power. P equals to VI cos phi. So by putting value of VI and cos phi, that means 230, 8.85 and 0.577. By multiplication all the three things, we got power as 1174.5 watts. So this is a simple explanation of calculating the quantities for single phase AC circuit. Hope you will understand this. Thank you.